In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update Coursera app. By updating Coursera app, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with this app. You'll also be able to fix any issues that might be associated with this app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now, to update our Coursera app, you need to search for this app either through Google Play Store or App Store and find out if we have an update. So for my case, I am on Android smartphone, and therefore I'll go look for Google Play Store app and hit is, tap on it to open and log in to activate search. So if I tap on search here, I'll just search the app by name. I'll search for Coursera like that. I'll run the search, and as you can see, our app is here. I'll open it and we have an update, which means I've been using an outdated version of Coursera Grow Your Career app. To update, tap on update, and by doing so, the latest version of Coursera will be downloaded, and finally it will be installed on your smartphone. You can now proceed and launch it directly from here, or go to your apps to start using the latest version of Coursera app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.